Yes, sir. Give me some of this good old Phantom, man. What the fuck the Phantom is? Damn, motherfucking Phantom, man. I have to go to the motherfucking store and get some, then. Hey, bro, I be back. I'm about to goddamn go to the store and get some Phantom. Oh, shit. What the? Bro. Who the fuck? Bro, crackhead Christian, what the fuck you doing on my porch, nigga? Bro, hold on, let me go get my damn gun, man. I'm about to get ready to bust your ass, bro. What the fuck you doing on my porch, bro?
Want me to scoot over?
Hell no, I want you to scoop. Bro, you sleeping on my porch, bro. I can't be having this shit, man.
It's warm here.
I don't give a fuck about it being warm. I can't be having this shit, man.
You want me to leave?
I want your ass to diss a fucking pill, nigga. Fuck leaving.
I know no magic.
You don't know no...
I don't know no magic.
I'm gonna know some motherfucking magic when I goddamn grab this motherfucking 380.
I gotta leave.
Man.
Look, I suck your dick in the morning.
Crackhead Christian.
I suck your dick in the morning.
Bro, I don't want to hear that shit, man. I don't want to hear that gay shit, man. Bro, I don't want to hear that shit, man. Bro, I do not want to hear that shit. And you still... And where the fuck your shoes at? Why the fuck you got on the little ass socks?
These toe be cold. These toe be cold. Other warm. These warm, cold. Warm, cold.
Get your ass off my motherfucking porch, nigga.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, grab your shit. And leave your fucking blanket, because I want the shit.